Hello and welcome to PA Academy. This is a continuation of the part 7 of the video series of quadratic equation. So in this part 7, we are looking at the symmetric property of roots. So like I was saying in the first part, the part 7, which is the previous part of this video, I said it shows the relationship between the quadratic equation itself and the roots of that quadratic equation. Now, said some question might ask you to find the value of the following expression from a given quadratic equation or from the roots. Now, what I mean is that you might have a quadratic equation and they'll ask you to find the value of x squared plus b squared, or s cubed plus, no, not x, it's alpha square plus beta square. We call this alpha. So then alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha minus beta square, in this nature. So these are what you are going to be applying. So for instance, if a question should ask you that, okay, from this quadratic equation, find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So what you just do is you apply this formula, which is alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Don't forget, in the previous video, I've given you the value of alpha plus beta, which is minus b over a, and alpha beta, which is c over a. So what you just do is to substitute the values into the equation and you get your answer. And sometimes you might not even need to find the roots. Just from the quadratic equation itself, you find your value of alpha plus beta, and then you find your value of alpha beta, then you just substitute. So you can just get yourself familiar with all this. It might ask you, okay, from this quadratic equation of of as squared plus bs plus c, find the value of 1 over x plus 1 over alpha rather plus 1 over beta. So this is what you are going to apply. I'm just going to look for the value of alpha plus beta over alpha beta. So I'll be doing example on this in the next part of this video. So the question can come in any ways. So here are 6 possible ways that 6 common ones that you'll find in question. So in the next part, we are also going to now be solving example that deals with symmetric property of roots. So kindly subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in that part of the video.